Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you some like random embellishments that I put together using some embellishments that I made. So I'll start with this one. This is a stamp that I got online through Joom, and I got this mold that I made, and I just painted white and sparkled it up. And it didn't really turn out too good, but I thought it kind of added to the creepiness for Halloween. It doesn't really show up here, so it works pretty good. I just used some bling here, and this is one of the boots I made with a little scrap of trim that I got and cut off a little piece here, and some Nouveau drops, and some, it's like glossy accents and a ribbon, and this is the trim that I used, a little piece that was cut off there. And this would be great either for a card or like putting down in a mini album for pictures or a junk journal. It's great for so many fun things. So I just wanted to show how I use that there. And then I have this one. This is a die that I got from Marjolein Bus Ink here on YouTube. So thank you, Marjolein. These are just some 3 skull ephemeras that I kind of put together there, and I put a little bow here with a little heart gem there, and this is a bat bow that I used or made using the envelope punch board, and I just put a bling and a sticker, cat sticker there, which is really hard to tell. And then this is another one of the boots that I made, and it's just another embellishment with a little piece of ephemera. This is a rolled rose that I made that I got from Anna, who is Scrap Memories by Anna here on Anna FG. I'm sorry, Anna. I'll leave her link and Marjolein's link in the description box below. And I just used some thread there to lace up the boot. Used a couple of word stickers, a little heart gem from the Dollar Tree, some enamel dots that I made quite a while ago, and a little bit of a pearl spray there. And just used a die cut here. And same thing, this is the same die cut there. And this is a die cut, I believe I got from Shonda, who is Slim Cards on YouTube here, and I'll leave her link below also. So thank you, Shonda. And these are just some stickers and some banners that I made, and I just used the boot here and kept it really simple. Now these mirrors are from, I think it was a Midnight Manor from Recollections that Michael sold a few years ago. And I just had a scrap piece left of the mirror page, so I just fussy cut around it. And this is one of the bat bows that I made, so I put that on there. And then a word sticker from Tim Holtz, and I just distressed all the edges there with some black ink. And another one with the bows and the mirror. And these were 2 little itty bitty mirrors, and I just put a little tiny nail sticker in there. Little bow punch that I have. Here's another little bow with a little gem on top. And so yeah, just having fun with Halloween. I'm so sad that it's almost over, but I did have a lot of fun with embellishments this year. And I will leave a link in the description box below of my playlist from the last year and everything that I made this year if you want to see some more fun Halloween embellishments. So thanks again for watching, everybody. Happy haunting and have a good day. Bye for now.